Beetroot can help reduce the appearance of eye dark circles. It's in iron, which can help replenish iron levels that can cause shadows under the eyes. Beetroot contains vitamin C, which can help prevent signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains antioxidants that can protect skin from free radical damage. Beetroot is 87% water, which can help keep skin moisturized. Applying beetroot juice to the skin can help hydrate it by entering pores and locking in moisture. Beetroot can help fade dark spots, sunspots, and acne scars. Vitamin C in beetroot can help fade hyperpigmentation and promote an even complexion. It can also help treat acne, especially when combined with other ingredients like zinc, magnesium stearate, or antibiotics. It contains vitamins C and E, which can help support collagen production. Collagen helps skin's elasticity and firmness. Carrot helps maintain healthy skin and can reduce the signs of eczema. Vitamin A also helps with cell renewal, which can make skin look younger and fill out wrinkles. Beta-carotene, an antioxidant that can help protect skin from sunburn and slow down skin aging. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin in the body. Vitamin C helps the body make collagen, a protein that supports skin structure and elasticity. Vitamin C also protects the skin from UV damage. Anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and irritation. Exfoliation. Milk contains lactic acid, an alpha-hydroxyacid AHA, that gently exfoliates the skin by removing dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve skin tone. The lipids in milk are excellent moisturizers. Milk has anti-inflammatory properties. Cool milk can help soothe irritated skin. Honey can kill a range of bacteria, including antibiotic-resistant strains. It can also help with acne. Anti-inflammatory. Reduce inflammation by decreasing pro-inflammatory. Honey can protect against free radical damage from environmental pollutants. Honey can speed up the healing process for skin cells. Yogurt can help fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The anti-inflammatory properties of yogurt can reduce puffiness, while the lactic acid can reduce the appearance of dark circles. Fighting infections, yogurt's antifungal and antibacterial properties can help fight fungal skin infections. Combating signs of aging. Yogurt can help reduce the signs of premature aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Protecting from sun damage. The zinc in yogurt can help protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet rays. Sesame oil is rich in vitamin E. It can help improve blood flow and nutrition, which can accelerate cell regeneration and heal scar tissue. Sesame oil contains lignans, which have anti-inflammatory properties. It can help treat mild skin irritations and infections, which can help prevent skin damage from free radicals, reduce hyperpigmentation and signs of aging.